spending many years in IT, working from 9 to 5, having limited time to travel, and just feeling stuck at my job, I decided to start my own company and make that dream a reality.
Back in 2008, I was so burnt out from my corporate job that I ended up quitting without a plan. I knew that I wanted to work for myself, and it took me years to figure out how to get my business off the ground enough to be sustainable. It wasn't until I invested in myself, in retreats and business coaching, that things really started to shift for me in my business. Because having the right support and strategy for growing my business really just makes all the difference in the world. Now I am traveling full-time as a digital nomad. I've been doing that for close to 2 years. I've lived in almost 18 different countries. It's so much fun, and it's a dream come true for a travel lover like myself.
Dreaming of becoming location independent and sharing my love of tech and travel with others. My name is Mia, and I am the founder of Travelprenuer Tribe.
When Mia and I connected over our shared love of travel and tech, it was an absolute no-brainer for me to jump in as a partner at Travelprenuer Tribe and offer my expertise. I've spent close to a decade working with startups, building companies, and helping entrepreneurs grow their businesses. After a few years of running my own business successfully, I began focusing on helping other aspiring entrepreneurs achieve their own location-independent business dreams. I'm Kate, and I'm a co-founder of Travelprenuer Tribe.
For more information on how to start your business and travel the world, visit travelpreneurtribe.com.